Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really handy little adapter cable, the GINTOOYUN 3-pin XLR to RJ45 cable. This product comes as a pair, which is often useful for sending signals both ways or having a spare. Essentially, what this cable does is convert a standard 3-pin XLR connection into an RJ45 connection. This is particularly useful in the world of stage lighting, sound, and other professional audiovisual setups where you might need to run signals over existing Ethernet cabling infrastructure. The cable features a 3-pin XLR female connector on one end and an RJ45 male connector on the other. The XLR female connector has a self-locking design, which is a great feature. It ensures that once you plug it in, it stays securely connected until you deliberately press the release button. This prevents accidental disconnections during a performance or event, which can be critical for maintaining signal integrity. This adapter is designed for signal transmission, specifically for things like DMX signals for LED light controllers, or for connecting various audio and stage equipment like speakers, mixers, amplifiers, and KTV gear. It allows you to utilize standard Ethernet cable for extending these signals over longer distances or through existing wall plates and runs, which can be much more convenient than pulling dedicated XLR cables everywhere. It's compatible with a range of devices, including the DMX-Con controller series. Looking at the build quality, the cable itself has a PVC protective sleeve, which provides good toughness and elasticity, suggesting it can handle some wear and tear. The connectors are nickel-plated, aiming for reliable contact and a long service life. The cable specification is noted as 16.0.12 TC *1.2 PVC *2C plus AL plus winding 32.0.12 TC, indicating a specific internal construction designed for signal integrity. The length of the cable is 30 centimeters, or about 11.8 inches, and this measurement includes the length of the plugs themselves. This short length makes them ideal as adapters right at the connection point, rather than as long extension cables themselves, relying on the RJ45 cable for the main run. Using these adapters can really simplify wiring setups, especially in installations where running new cables is difficult. They provide a clean way to interface traditional XLR equipment with systems that might use RJ45 for signal distribution. The secure connection offered by the self-locking XLR is a definite plus for reliability in live or installed environments. Overall, for anyone working with stage lighting, sound systems, or DMX control and looking for a convenient way to integrate with RJ45 cabling, these GINTOOYUN adapters offer a practical and seemingly well-built solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.